Hello, I am Bernie with Air Dynamics HVAC, and here is You Asked, We Answered. You had so many questions about our last heating video that we decided to put another one together for you. What should I do if my pilot goes out? If your pilot light goes out, you can attempt to relight your pilot. The instructions to do so should be on your furnace or on your hot water heater on how to relight that pilot. If when you attempt to relight that pilot, it does not relight for you or does not stay lit, my recommendation would be to call us at Air Dynamics HVAC or your local professional if you are not in our area and have somebody stop out and diagnose the current issue. Messing with a furnace or a gas system is dangerous and could lead to catastrophic results. Why are some rooms in my house colder than others? Typically, when you have cold or warm rooms throughout the home, they're going to be due to the balance of your duct system and your air distribution system. Typically, this can be addressed or adjusted through balance and dampers as long as they were installed when your heating system was installed. If you do not have balance dampers in your home, another option is adjusting the airflow at the register location. For areas that might be warmer in the home, you'd want to close down those registers slightly and allow that airflow to move into your colder rooms. You'll never want to close your dampers completely because they could cause an airflow restriction on the heating system. There's a fine line between redirecting airflow and restricting airflow. I would suggest making minor changes, but if you find that that doesn't work, call your local professional or us at Air Dynamics HVAC and we'll be more happy to evaluate your system. What is the difference between a split system and a package unit? The difference between a split system and a package unit is in a package unit, all components are built within that system. It's one contained piece of equipment. With a split system, you're going to have an indoor unit and you're going to have an outdoor unit. The indoor unit typically is going to be a furnace or some type of heating system or air handler, along with a cooling coil. Your outdoor unit is typically going to be a condenser or a heat pump that sits outside the home. The two work together in heating and cooling your home. How can I improve my home's heating efficiency? The first thing you're going to do with your home efficiency is not even going to be related to your heating and cooling system. You're going to want to make sure that your home is properly air stopped and insulated properly. If it's not air stopped or insulated properly, your heating system is just going to continue to run. Every time it shuts down, it's going to cool the house down very fast. The best way to improve your heating system's efficiency would be to make sure that it's properly sized for your home and that you're running at efficient temperatures throughout the heating range. How long does a typical heating system last? Your typical heating system is going to last roughly between 12 and 20 years. You can extend the life expectancy of your system or keep it to the longer range of that 20 years by properly maintaining your equipment throughout its life. Are there financing options available for a new heating system? Yes, we at Air Dynamics HVAC offer convenient financing options so you can stay comfortable without straining your budget. If you are not in our service area, call your local professional and ask them about their financing options. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or leave a question in the comment section and we'll do our best to address that in our next video.